Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Bonnie Faye. Say hi, Miss Bonnie Faye. Hey, sweet girl, you got something on your nose. There we go. She just got really sick. I think that's why she's in the window with me today. Normally she doesn't, but she all over the house. Oh, I had to get down and scrub all over my carpet. Anyway, so she's not feeling good, so she's hanging out by me today since Daddy's not here. He is at work today. But today we are here to talk about the box, the Fashionsta box. This box is $24.99 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size products that normally value up to $180. If you want to try this box, you can get 10% off by using the link that's down below in my description. They are predominantly vegan and cruelty-free. Indie brands are spotlighted, free shipping, and you can cancel at any time. So let's look and see what is in my box. I keep dropping everything today. Okay, so refresh and refocus is the theme for this month, and on the back it tells you about the products. It looks like we got 6 products. It says the retail value of these products is $131. So let's open it up and see what is inside, and hopefully I won't drop anything else. So this is Wickedly Divine Smudge Proof Eyeliner. Now I have been trying to do a little more of the eyeliner lately. I didn't, at first I was scared of it and I didn't mess with it, but I have been trying a little more. This is Lasplash Cosmetics Wickedly Divine Eyeliner. Retail price is $16. A buildable high impact liquid eyeliner that provides a color that sparkles. Can be worn alone or layered. This unique formula dries down quickly, provides long-lasting wear, and will not smudge. Cruelty-free. This is in color Goblet. So let's see what Goblet looks like. I'm intrigued. Yeah. You know I'm a sucker for packaging. Oh my goodness, look at this. There is a gem on the end. It is ombre down to this beautiful, oh my goodness, is it gold in there? This is, oh my goodness, y'all, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I hope it is focusing on this. This is beautiful. I know, y'all. Okay, here we go. Y'all, I mean, for those ladies who do the beautiful designs, and Halloween is coming up, I may do the beautiful designs if I can. But this is lovely. It has a super fine little brush here and this beautiful gold color. Oh my goodness, this is cute. This is pretty cute. I mean, for us girls that like to be a little sparkly shiny, you would have to wait for it to dry down before you touched it, because it did come off when I touched it. And you can see the glitter. You'd have to be careful about your eyes with this. But this is cool. This is cute. Okay, I'm gonna have fun playing with this one. That is gorgeous packaging. Wickedly Divine. How appropriate. All right, next in my box, let's go for this big blue. Bleau. I'm sure I'm not saying that properly. This is Transcend Revitalizing Algae Clay Mask. Tighten, renew, and restore. So, mask. MSRP on this is $39. To learn more about your incredible variant, please visit bleaubeauty.com. Clay masks for your essential needs allow you to experience a spotlight treatment in the comfort of your home, vegan and cruelty-free. So they must have had a few different clay masks that went in here, and that's why they want you to go and check it out online and see what different kinds and what it is about. Rare and pristine from earth to us. With the included spatula, stir, then apply evenly to clean skin over your entire face. Avoid the eyes and mouth areas. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times per week or as often as desired. Suitable for all skin types. Enhance the benefits of your daily skincare routine with our revitalizing algae clay mask. This unique blend maintains an elasticity in your skin, resulting in a natural, soft, and youthful complexion. Ooh. Y'all, this looks luxe. I mean, look, there's, you know, it's sitting down in here, and the little spatula's got its own little place. It's heavy, too. It is heavy. Get the little spatula out so you can see that. It's beautiful. And it smells good. It actually smells really good. I wasn't expecting it to smell so good. Yeah, I'm curious about that. I'm not going to touch it right now, but I probably will try it tonight. This is pretty nice. Pretty nice. This has been a good box so far. It's definitely been worth the price that I paid for it. For sure. Next. This is Estate Just a Taste Mini Pigment Palette. Mermaid is what it's called. Let's read about it first. 3 color variations this month, so not everybody got the same colors. A super easy to blend quad palette to create seamless looks with long-lasting color, free of mineral oil, parabens, vegan and cruelty-free. MSRP on this is $14. Very cute. Little packaging. Mermaid. Is it gonna be like blue and green? It does have green. Or blue. Blue-green. And some cute other colors to go with it. Very interesting color story here. I can see these colors. I mean, these two are pretty similar though. And then there's the touch of color. This is interesting and cute. Curious to try this one out. That's interesting. Kiss and Smink. Smink, S-M-I-N-K. Can y'all see it at all? I don't think you can. Oh wait, there we go. These shiny ones are hard to do. The Everything. Alright, let's read about it. Kiss and Smink, the Everything, $20 value. A multi-purpose cream stick that can be used on cheeks, lips, lids, or anywhere really. Can be easily applied with fingers. Bye-bye brushes. Hello, effortless color. Vegan and cruelty-free. I'm kind of liking this box. I wasn't sure when I first subscribed to this box if I would like it, but I'm kind of liking it. I'm getting a lot of products that I don't get in my other subscription boxes. A lot of interesting products. I know I'm easily amused, but this is the Everything. So, let me see. How do I open it? And there is the Everything. So let's just swatch it. That's kind of pretty. It's just a faint, very cute. Very, very cute. I like it. Really like it. I wasn't expecting to like it so much. It does have a little sparkle to it, y'all. A little bit of shine. That is nice. I'm gonna enjoy this one here. See, there's nothing that I don't want to try, that I don't want to. That's just cool. All right, let's see what this is because I'm very curious. Oh wow brush. Includes 1 brush and 1 brush cap. Okay. Simply put, this brush is an awe-inspiring wow, including miracle. Through its velvet-like bristles and densely packed ultra-fine fibers, this amazing brush is made to ensure an airbrushed effect with an immaculate streak-free touch. This brush features a dome angular shaped surface that is beautifully crafted to blend foundation, powder, creams, moisturizer, and primers seamlessly into your skin. The pointed tip is designed to fit perfectly underneath the eye and help contour your facial features. This sturdy, self-standing handle with the slip-off cap prevents bristles from germs, dirt, and dust, making this makeup tool the ultimate travel companion. Okay, this is by Cailyn. It is a $32 value. Get a beautiful seamless airbrush effect with this immaculate streak-free touch, featuring a dome angular shaped surface that is crafted to blend foundation, powders, creams, moisturizers, and primers cruelty-free. This is interesting. See, interesting. So you can stand it. You stand it up. I don't know how long it would stay standing up on my counters, you know. It's got a cap and for your brush. And this is supposed to blend. Ooh, it feels good. It's supposed to blend everything in seamlessly. Did it make a difference yet, y'all? I figure I'm looking a little rough. That feels good. I mean, this feels good. You know, some brushes, like you do this and it kind of pokes at you. This one does not. This is soft. Soft, soft, soft. Oh my goodness, this is nice. It's got a good weight to it. I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna have fun playing with this stuff, y'all. This is like, I don't know, I feel like luxury. I feel like I'm getting luxury with this stuff. And the weird thing is, I haven't even heard of any of these brands. And, well, Estate, I think I've heard of Estate. But I feel like this is nice. Y'all let me know if I'm wrong. Have y'all heard of any of these brands? Have y'all tried any of these products? Did you want to try any of these products? Alright, so the last thing on here, this has to be a lip mask. Sistine Herbal Collagen X Retinol Cherub. Oh, this is an eye mask. Okay, can you see the little cherub guy? That's interesting. It feels like it's got that stiff in there. That's why I thought it was lip. So this is the Cherub Eye Mask. The MSRP is $10. Retinol and collagen, along with a natural blend of ingredients, hydrating and improving your under eye area, alleviates fatigue, puffiness, dark circles, crow's feet, and wrinkles. It is vegan and cruelty free. Y'all, I'm sorry that thing keeps coming on, but it is a little warm in here. So, eye mask, palette, clay mask, everywhere stick, brush for blending in everything, and the awesome little glitter eyeliner that, yeah, is now set. So, super cool box. Definitely worth the price, I think. Of course, I still want to hear y'all's opinion. And there it goes. It went falling. Packaging, y'all. Oh my goodness. All right. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Please, while you're down there, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and press the notification bell. And y'all, don't forget to say hi to my different co-host today, Miss Bonnie Faye. Y'all, have a wonderful day and God bless.